Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss river boat problems, which is a part of relative velocity. So, in this concept, what kind of questions could be asked? For some examples, I will give you. So, there is a boat here, it is moving with a certain velocity in this direction. Now, if the river is flowing in the same direction with a particular velocity, how much time the boat would take to cross a specific amount of distance, right? The boat is going in this direction, but the river flow is in this direction. Now, how much time this boat would take to cover that specific distance? In another set of problems, what will be asked is the boat is going from this point to the other point, from this bank to the opposite bank, and the river is flowing. So, how is the direction of velocity of the boat? How is the path taken by the boat? So, all these questions will be answered here. Now, I will teach you some basic terms which will be used here. The first VR bar, that is velocity of river with respect to ground. So VR bar, velocity of river with respect to ground. That means what is the speed of the river and at what direction this river flows. The next is VB bar, that is velocity of boat with respect to ground. So VB bar, velocity of boat with respect to ground. If there is a person looking at the boat from the ground, with what velocity he sees the boat moving. The next VBR bar, which is velocity of boat with respect to river. So VBR bar, velocity of boat with respect to river. What it means is, if you are observer moving along with the river, if the river is moving towards right and you are also in the river and you are moving along with the river, with what velocity you see the boat moving is called velocity of boat with respect to river. In some questions, he will say velocity of the boat in still water, which means he is indirectly giving you what is the velocity of boat with respect to river. Okay, so remember this, in questions you will come across this term. This also means velocity of boat with respect to river. The formula which we would be using in this concept is VBR bar equals to VB bar minus VR bar. So VBR bar equals to VB bar minus VR bar. We have learnt VAB bar equals to VA minus VB bar, right? So this is the similar formula where VBR bar represents velocity of boat with respect to river, VB bar represents velocity of boat with respect to ground, and VR bar represents velocity of the river with respect to ground. So in this schematic, this boat is going along the river. And the river is not flowing in this case. So let us take some approximate values. We will consider this side as positive x-axis and to the left as negative x-axis. Let us take some approximate values for the boat velocity and river velocity. So boat is moving in the plus x, so VB bar we taken as 10 I cap meters per second. The river is not moving, so its speed is 0 meters per second. VR equal to 0 meters per second also means it is still water. So the velocity of boat with respect to river equals to VB bar, which is 10 I cap, minus 0, that is the velocity of river, it is still water. So velocity of boat with respect to river is 10 I cap meters per second. So let us have a look at this. The river is not flowing, only the boat is moving. If only the boat moves and the river is not flowing, the velocity of the boat with respect to river and the velocity of boat with respect to ground will be the same. In this case it is 10 meters per second. Now let us consider a case when the river is flowing. So in this case, river is flowing in this direction and the boat is moving in this direction. which means the velocity of the boat is opposite to the velocity of the river. Let us take some values for velocity of the boat and velocity of the river. So velocity of boat with respect to river is 10 I cap meters per second, which means if the river was not moving, the boat would have moved in this direction with 10 I cap meters per second. Velocity of river is minus 2 I cap meters per second. The river is flowing in this direction, so its velocity is minus 2 I cap. Now using the formula VBR bar equals to VB bar minus VR bar. So VBR bar equals to VB bar minus VR bar. Let us put our values in this equation. Now when we put our values, VBR bar is 10 I cap. So this is 10 I cap. VB bar, we need to find out what is the actual velocity of the boat. VR bar is minus 2 I cap. So we have put minus 2 I cap. So 10 I cap equals to VB bar minus minus becomes plus 2 I cap. We take this 2 I cap this side. So we get VB bar equals to 8 I cap meters per second. So if the river was not moving, this boat would have moved with 10 I cap meters per second or 10 meters per second. But because the river is moving, the boat slows down and it moves with 8 meters per second. In the previous case, we have seen what happens when the boat moves opposite to the direction of river flow. Its speed decreases because the river is flowing opposite to it. Now we will look at a case when the boat is moving along the direction of river flow. So you can have a look here. The river is flowing in this direction and the boat is also moving along the same direction. We will consider our positive x-axis in this direction and negative x-axis in this direction. Now let us take some values for the velocity of river and the velocity of boat. The boat is moving in this direction, so the velocity approximate, we will just take it as 10 I cap meters per second. River is also moving in the same direction, we will take it as 2 I cap meters per second. Now VBR bar equals to VB bar minus VR bar. So VBR bar equals to VB bar minus VR bar. Let us put the values which we have taken in this equation. So putting the values, VBR bar is 10 I cap, VB bar we need to find out, and VR bar is 2 I cap. So 10 I cap equals to VB bar minus 2 I cap. Now this 2 I cap goes this side, we will get VB bar equals to 12 I cap meters per second, which means if the river is not moving, the velocity of boat would be 10 meters per second because the river is moving in same direction as the velocity of the boat. The velocity of the boat has increased to 12 meters per second. Let us have a look at the schematic once again.